Hello friends, this is Krishna and welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss about React credit card package. This is one of the interesting packages I have seen until now. So let's see the demo of this. So once you install this and once you done with everything, you will be getting this, and you can see here, if you click on the number, this particular field will be highlighted, and if you click on expiry date, particular field will be highlighted, and name, then this particular name will be highlighted. And if you click on CVC, so it will be converted back, so you can see better animations here, so like this. And once I click on the number, particular number will be updated here and name will be updated here based on the requirement, and date will be highlighted based on this CVC, like this. So you can validate after this. And another thing is, one of the most interesting thing here is, based on the credit card number, it will show the company name here. So if you see here, 4, it will take Visa, and if you click on 5, then it will take MasterCard number, like this. So let's see how to do this. So as usual, I have created a project named React1, and in this project I am going to do everything in app.js for my convenience, and you can create your own component for this particular component. So we have to install a package called npm install React credit cards. So let's wait until it gets installed. So our package got successfully installed here. So let's verify by opening package.json, and if you see here, you can see React credit cards 0.8.3 version. So our package got successfully installed here, and let's move to coding part. So first we have to import cards from React credit cards what we have installed. And we have to import this CSS. This is the most important CSS, so don't forget to import this. So once this is done, you have to create the different fields. So for that I am going to use useState, constant number, and set number is equal to useState of, I am initializing it with empty string, and constant name, set name equal to useState of empty string, and same thing for I'm copying this, and we have to use date here, set date or expiry, and next one is CVB. And we have to import this useState from React. And another thing is, we have to use another variable called as focus for focusing on particular element based on our text box click. next thing is we have to create an input here, input boxes here. And we have to give type equal to something tel, and name equal to number. Next one is val equal to, this is what we have created here. Next one is placeholder. Number, and next one is on chain. Event is 2. So on change we are setting the number, so we are going to write it dot target dot value. So this is another property. For this we are going to send the name what we have created here. So based on that it will be focusing on that particular card. So we have to create multiple instances of this. As we have 4 fields, we will be creating 4 inputs here, and I will be changing this. So I have changed this name and placeholder name, etc. all this, expiry date, set CVV and name, number. So I will be giving all this code in my YouTube channel link. So we have to keep all these in the form. Now you have to add the card. For displaying that particular card, we have to show the card here. So I am pasting this code here. So CVV will goes to CVV, and all this expiry, focus is focused, name and number. So once this is done, we are good to go. There is no need to add CSS for this because there is inbuilt CSS for this. So for this form you can add the CSS based on your requirement. Now we will be checking whether it's working or not. Let's wait until this is compiled and run successfully. So it got compiled successfully, and once we open this browser and verify whether it's working or not, so you can see here we got 4 fields and a credit card here, and once you click on this it will move to this. So this is the end of this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on React. Thank you.